Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to record your iPhone screen. Want to capture your iPhone screen for a tutorial, gameplay, or a quick demo? Here's how to do it in a few simple steps. No third-party apps needed. If your phone is brand new, the built-in screen recorder might be hidden. I will show you how to add it to the control center. Here's how it's done. Step 1. Open the Settings app. Click Control Center, and there you will see Customize Controls. Step 2. Swipe down from the top right of the screen to reveal the control center. Long press on a blank space until the Add a Control function appears. Step 3. Find the screen recording icon, a circle in a circle icon. Click the icon and you can arrange the icon wherever you want. You can now access the screen recorder. Step 4. To use the screen recorder, simply swipe down from the right of the screen and click the screen recorder icon. To record with audio, long press the screen recorder icon and press the microphone to turn it on. This is perfect for narration or voiceovers. Step 5. To stop the recording, just tap the red status bar at the top of your screen and confirm. The video is automatically saved to your Photos app. Longer screen recordings may take a minute to be saved, so don't panic. It will be right there. And that's it. You've just recorded your iPhone screen like a pro. No apps needed. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this video is for guidance only. All stuff shown use safe, built-in iOS features. Storage usage and settings may vary depending on your iPhone model and iOS version. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more quick tech tips that make your phone work smarter. Got questions or other iPhone tricks you want to learn? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video. Bye for now.